welcome back to another video. Today we're back with another matchday vlog. This time it's Swansea City versus Norwich City in the Sky Bet Championship. This Saturday 3 PM kickoff at the Swansea.com stadium. Before I get into the video, I'm going to do a shout out of another channel. I don't normally do this, but I did on the match preview, so I thought I may as well just do it again because the vlogs get a lot more views. But if you could subscribe to the YouTube channel, Shell Squad FC, it'll be on your screen right now. So it's basically just me and my mates having a kickabout in our six-a-side league, and we're going to be documenting it. We have also put our first video out as well, which done quite well on views. So if you could give that a watch, that would be massively appreciated. I've put the channel link in the description of this video as well, and also if you go onto the Pure SCFC Vlogs channel and scroll down right to the bottom, you'll see the Shell Squad channel and the feature channels of this channel. So yeah, if you could check that out, that would be much appreciated. But yeah, back to the vlog. It's going to be a tough game against Norwich, but hopefully we can, you know, get something out of it. But I'll catch up to you when I'm at the ground. Yeah, so I've got the team now. So Vigouroux, Key, Cabango, Darlin, Grimes, Eom, Franco, Cullen, Norton, Cooper and Ronald. On the bench, McLaughlin, Fulton, Allen, Vipotnik, Timon, Bianchini, Part Harris, Abbey and Abdullah. Right, so I'm here with my little brother. It's your second ever Swans game, isn't it? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you think we're going to win today?
Yeah.
And what's the score going to be?
2-1.
And who's getting the goals for the Swans?
Matt Grimes and Ronald.
Oh, nice. Right, I'm in the ground now. I'm going to give you my score prediction. Norwich are a good side. It's going to be a tough game, you know. First one for 2 weeks, so hopefully, you know, the players might have a different mindset now after, you know, 2 weeks of no football. But yeah, it's still going to be a tough game nonetheless. Hopefully we can get something out of it. I'm going to stick to what I said in the preview. I'm going to go with 1-0. I say Josh Sargent to score for Norwich, and to get the goal for the Swans, I'll probably go with Ronald. Why not? But yeah, hopefully we can get 3 points. Go on. Yeah! 1-0. Own goal. Not sure who scored, but yeah, it's an own goal. Norwich City 0. It's been a good first half, to be honest with you. I just hope we can, keep the momentum and the intensity up, because usually we do tend to drop off and we don't tend to take our chances when we are on top. So I think it'd be good if we can get a second or maybe even a third and try and kill this game off, because we've seen it at times this season, like Cardiff, for example, where we've taken the lead, been really dominant, should have seen the game off, and then they came back in the second half. So I hope that doesn't happen again. But so far, very good first half. We've been well on top, which is good if we can get a few more goals now and finish the game off.
Being replaced with the Swans number 14, Josh Tyman. Second change for the Swans. So on. G-Stop being replaced with the Swans number 19, Florian Bianchini. The second being replaced with the Swans number 7, Joe Allen. Only being replaced by 25, Miles Canaries. And also in the field for the Swans, 20, Liam Cullen. Liam being replaced by Swansea City's number 9, Jan Vipotnik. Changes to Norwich number 3 in the field, Jack Stacey.
Full-time, Swansea City 1, Norwich City 0. Yeah, we've seen the game out with an own goal. It would have been nice to get a few more goals, but the win's the most important thing. Much needed win. And yeah, we have actually held on for once, which we failed to do in the past. But the own goal gives us the 3 points. Very much needed 3 points. Very good performance. We did sit off a bit at the end, but I thought all round very good performance, and we got it over the line. and hopefully we can use that now to kick on. It's our second home win of the season, second win of the season, so hopefully we can kick on now and try and get a few more wins on the board. But yeah, very good performance. We could have scored more on another day, but as I said, the win's the most important thing. But once again, a massive thanks for watching this, and I'll be back next Friday for the match preview ahead of Coventry away, so stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.